Welcome back to Britology. Today we're stepping into a world that moves, literally. A world where luxury doesn't stay in one place, it travels. This is the story of Britain's modern tycoons and their traveling mansions. The rolling palaces that redefine what it means to live large on the go. Across the UK, a quiet revolution in luxury is unfolding. The new generation of wealthy Britons, tech entrepreneurs, property moguls, financiers, and celebrities are no longer just investing in static homes or penthouse apartments. Instead, they're turning their attention toward mobility, magnificent motorhomes, customized super yachts and private jets converted into full-fledged residences. These are not vehicles. They're symbols of boundless freedom and unmatched wealth, crafted for those who can afford to take home anywhere they please. Let's start on the road, with the rise of ultra-luxury motorhomes. In Britain, bespoke motorhome builders have taken things to an entirely new level. Companies like Mobile and Volkner Mobile have reimagined what a traveling home can be. These aren't your ordinary RVs. We're talking about $2 million masterpieces on wheels. Imagine a 40-foot mansion powered by a roaring diesel engine, coated in polished chrome or matte jet black paint, with interiors inspired by five-star hotel suites. The flooring is Italian marble, the walls lined with handcrafted walnut, and the ceiling adorned with soft LED skylights that mimic the glow of natural sunlight. Inside, every inch is designed for indulgence. There's a living area with reclining leather sofas, a 60-inch hidden television that rises silently from the cabinet, and a mini fireplace that flickers without smoke or smell. The kitchen is as luxurious as any London townhouse, fitted with high-end appliances, crystal glassware, and a wine chiller. And the bedroom? Think king-sized bed with Egyptian cotton sheets, gold-toned fixtures, and a built-in wardrobe that automatically lights up as you open it. Some even come with built-in garages. Yes, garages. Large enough to carry a Ferrari or a Bentley inside the motorhome. But for the wealthiest tycoons, even the open road isn't enough. Their idea of a traveling mansion soars thousands of feet above ground. Private jets are no longer just modes of transport. They are floating palaces in the sky. British billionaires have been commissioning private jets that rival royal suites. Inside a modern Gulfstream or Bombardier Global 7500 owned by UK tycoons, you'll find living rooms with handcrafted mahogany tables, soft cream leather seats that convert into full beds, and soundproof cabins for absolute peace. There's even mood lighting that adjusts to the body's circadian rhythm, ensuring passengers arrive refreshed after long flights. These jets often have separate bedrooms, marble-lined bathrooms with rainfall showers, and dining areas set for 4 or 6 guests, where Michelin-level meals are served by onboard chefs. Each jet is a blend of engineering excellence and aesthetic brilliance, designed not just for travel, but to express power, privacy, and prestige. For business magnates who jump between London, Geneva, and Dubai, these jets aren't a luxury. They're an extension of their empire. And then there's the sea. Britain's coastline has long been dotted with the world's most spectacular yachts, and today's billionaires have taken this heritage to dazzling new levels. Modern UK tycoons now commission super yachts that cost more than $200 million, floating cities that combine modern technology with timeless elegance. Picture this: a sleek steel and glass vessel stretching over 100 meters, gliding across the Mediterranean. On board, the deck hosts a helipad, an infinity pool, and a sunbathing area lined with teak wood. Inside, a grand staircase spirals up through multiple decks, leading to lounges draped in velvet and silk. There are private cinemas, gyms overlooking the ocean, and even mini spas where guests can enjoy massages while anchored off the coast of Monaco or Cannes. Some of these yachts are completely self-sufficient for months, equipped with desalination systems, satellite internet, and state-of-the-art navigation technology. For tycoons, these floating palaces are both retreats and mobile offices, wank spaces, where deals worth millions are made over glasses of rare champagne. But what truly defines these traveling mansions isn't just opulence, it's the philosophy behind them. The new elite of Britain value freedom over permanence. Unlike the aristocrats of old, whose wealth was tied to grand estates and castles, today's tycoons want the flexibility to wake up in the Cotswolds one morning, dine in Paris that evening, and anchor off Sardinia by the weekend, all without ever leaving home. It's a statement about how luxury has evolved. Once owning land was the ultimate symbol of status. Now, owning movement is the ability to live wherever you wish, surrounded by every comfort imaginable, is the new measure of power. And these mobile mansions capture that perfectly. Even the design philosophy has shifted. Interior designers working with these clients are blending classic British elegance with futuristic technology. You might find a motorhome with Victorian-style upholstery paired with a fully voice-controlled smart system, or a yacht decorated in traditional English oak, hiding cutting-edge solar panels and energy-efficient climate systems. It's a fusion of heritage and innovation, a reflection of modern Britain itself. Security, too, is a major part of these mobile mansions. Many are equipped with biometric locks, hidden panic rooms, and advanced surveillance networks. Privacy is paramount, especially when you're living in motion. And that's what makes these creations so fascinating. They're not just about showing off wealth, but about creating a private, moving world away from the spotlight. For the public, spotting one of these traveling mansions is like catching a glimpse of a dream. A rare look into a lifestyle most can only imagine. Whether it's a $1.5 million luxury coach parked quietly near a Scottish lake, a gleaming jet streaking across the clouds, or a colossal yacht anchored by the cliffs of Cornwall, each represents a new chapter in Britain's long history of grandeur. And while the idea of living on the move might sound futuristic, it's deeply rooted in the modern spirit of Britain, a nation that has always balanced tradition with progress. These traveling mansions are the next evolution of that spirit, taking luxury off the ground, onto the road and across the waves. So the next time you see a massive silver motorhome cruising down a countryside lane or a sleek yacht gliding along the British coast, remember, it might not just be a vehicle. It could be someone's mansion, their moving castle, their symbol of modern royalty on the go. Welcome to the new Britain, where the truly wealthy don't wait for the world to come to them. They take their world with them, wherever they go. Welcome back to Britology.